MMDA K9 Corps is a non-profit, SEC-registered, non-government organization. We are purely volunteer-based. Yung resources namin, lahat nanggagaling sa volunteer. We started in 2016. Inisip ng founder namin, si Sir Mon Santiago, ano kayang pwedeng maitulong ng mga pets natin sa disaster response. Kung may kakayanan naman silang tumulong, especially yung the big one, wala tayong ibang magagawa kundi mag-prepare para alam natin kung ano yung gagawin natin. Yung founder namin, sabi niya, what if mag-train tayo ng mga household pets? Kasi kulang yung resources natin if ever dumating na yung big one. Community effort na maraming pets bawat barangay na pwedeng tumulong sa search and rescue. Mission po namin is bawat barangay, sana merong mga 3 to 4 pets na mag-train with our group for every household to be disaster ready.